Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So, something new, right? Sorry about the sound if it sounds weird. I'm in the bathroom with the door closed because my husband is playing the game. So anyways, I got my hair straightened today professionally. Yes, and it looks really good. Shout out to All Mixed Up. Follow her on Instagram. She is a natural. Oh, I hope I don't need to wax. I'm sorry. Shout out to All Mixed Up. She supports natural hair, which I only go to stylists now that support natural hair. So anyways, this is where my length is now. My in focus, that's where I'm at now. My hair feels super healthy, and yes, my hair has been this long before, had so many setbacks, but this time I think I got it. This time I think I do. So anyways, I'm going to attempt to wrap my hair because I am so bad at it. I'm gonna wrap it with you guys because that'll force me to really try. Now normally I don't do this the first day I get my hair styled, but can't hurt, right? So first I'm going to add a little bit of oil. This oil is Kanani Curls oil. They actually hit me up on Insta, messaged me and asked me to purchase their oil, and I was like, sure, why not? It was reasonably priced. It basically has avocado oil, castor oil, almond oil, peppermint oil. Which I love peppermint oil. It's really good for stimulating. It's really good for hair growth. Stimulates. It does something. Stimulates your scalp. Anyways, it does something. So I am using. I already put a little bit of this in my hair already. Before I realized I was going to record this, but I'm going to do it again just for the sake of video. So I'm going to, obviously I've used it before, so I'm going to use just a little bit since I already did. And first what I'm going to do is rub it in my hair just like that. I'm trying to get the scalp. Now I just got my hair done today, and I don't want to use too much oil because I don't want it to weigh down my hair. And now I'm going to put a little bit on my hands and put it the ends of my hair. Obviously the ends of your hair are the most sensitive, so you want to take care of the ends of your hair. I always get snags, which is one of the reasons why I never wear my hair straight, is because my hair, I can like hear it snagging on my clothes and it drives me crazy. So, alright, here we go. Ooh, look cute with a bob. Maybe I should just do a bob. Just get it all cut right here. Ooh, that would be kind of cute. This is actually kind of cute. Maybe I should do that. Guys, I might do a bob next year. If my hair don't get it together, I might just do a bob. So my hair grows weird. Okay, so the sides now are growing. They used to like never grow. But the sides are growing now. I'm retaining the length there. But as you can see, it grows weird. Like the back grows super fast, but it doesn't match this part of my hair. So that's why it looks weird. That's why I have to do this to let people know, like, no, I got a little bit of hang time. So I have to like pull it around. I have to be like this all day. Well, you know, it is what it is. But anyways, okay. So I'm horrible at wrapping my hair. Horrible. So I'm going to attempt to do it without clippies, and yeah. Alright, so, and I'm filling this middle part. It's taking me back to high school when I used to like straighten these two pieces of my hair and then wear my hair back. This is like my look in high school all the time. And I could tell if my hair was getting longer or not because of these two pieces. Okay guys. Chun-Li. Let me do a little bun. Hey, okay, Chun-Li. Okay, I'm sorry. I keep getting distracted. Alright, so I'm going to use a wide tooth comb. Just comb it out. I was playing with it. Okay, I'm just gonna comb this out. Comb it out, comb it out. Okay, all right. Now I am going to use a wet brush, which I like it because it's like basically like a paddle brush, I hope. Hopefully this helps. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna, okay, hold on, let me do it. Okay, so I'm going to take it around. And the wrapping is important because it helps you not have to keep straightening your hair. All right, so, I'm gonna leave you, pull you up front. And look at my color though. Shout out to my friend Melanie. She is also on Insta. She did my color. She also supports natural hair. Okay, so I'm just taking it around. Oh, so close. So close. Okay. Guys, you have no idea. This, like, for all my life, trying to wrap my hair has been a struggle. I know people who can do this in their sleep. I'm not one. I don't know, guys. I might have to use a clip. I feel like it's falling. Okay, so the whole point is to just wrap it all the way around. So in the morning when you take it out, which I will try to wake up early enough so I can show you guys how I take it out. Okay, so you see how it's just like that. See? It stays. Yay! Okay, I'm scared to move, but I want to take my silk scarf that I got from, I have no idea. No idea. Like, no guesses at all. And, okay, it's clean. So it's not triangle, it's just rectangular. And I'm going to, I think you're supposed to start in the back. Dang it. Okay. Be very careful because you don't want it to fall. Yay! Okay. Sorry, I know I'm doing this kind of fast. I'm just making sure it does not fall. Bam, bam. Okay. Somebody been practicing. I'm gonna do this part kind of loose. Bam. Taking my ears out slowly, just in case I have some little hairs. And you really should take your ear out in the direction of your wrap, just in case you do have some little hairs. I'm proud. This is the quickest I've ever wrapped my hair, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Which way was it? Was it this way? I don't feel any like little flyaways, so that's good. Alright, and that's how you wrap your hair. Now, what I'm going to do, because I'm extra, I'm going to put another scarf. I'm going to wrap it the opposite way, a tad bit tighter, because you don't want to get like an imprint in your hair. And then on top of that, I'm going to put my bonnet. And then on top of that, I'm going to put another bonnet. So yes, I am not looking cute tonight, but that's okay, because my husband already knows. So, alright guys, I successfully wrapped my hair. If you want to know some additional reasons for wrapping your hair, just comment below any questions you have, and I will, yeah, I don't know, like, I'm so excited right now. So I'll have to come back in the morning and let you guys know how it looks when I take it off. So thank you guys for watching. Good morning. Okay. Sorry, I just woke up like 30 minutes ago, so excuse my voice. Okay, so this is what I was talking about when I said I'm extra. So I put like all these bonnets on top. Guys, I'm so nervous. I hope I did it right. Okay, so it did not come off at all, as you can see. Okay. Okay, looking good, looking good. Can't see the back, but feels good. All right, so now we're just gonna brush it. Sorry about that, guys. My memory was full. Okay, so I kind of like this little part right here. Yes. Oh, it looks even better than yesterday. Oh, I'm so happy. Yes. Okay. Might be able to do this after all. I did like the little side part or middle part that I had, but this is okay. I mean, granted, you can always just part it the way you want. This isn't a rule, but I kind of like this little part. It looks flatter on camera than it does in person, but it does look a little bit more like, I don't know what's the word I'm looking for. But yes, 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 yes. I'm loving this. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, guys, I guess I can wrap my hair. I'm so happy. Y'all have no idea. But let me tell you something. What I won't be doing is working out for the next 4 days. Can't risk it. I don't know how people work out with their hair flat iron, but I paid for this, so I gotta make this last. Shoot. Yes, come on in. Come on through, come on through. Okay, let me show you guys the back. Alright guys, so I successfully managed to wrap my hair. That's how you do it. So if you have any questions, let me know. And I am a, I don't know what kind of sleeper I am, but my scarf has fallen off before, you know, so it's not like I'm a like princess sleeper. Like, no, I sleep, okay? Girls sleep. But I'm just so happy. You guys have no idea. For years, I could not wrap my hair. Like, for years. But I was successful. And I still have that body. My hair is not weighed down by the oil that I used yesterday. And again, this was the Kanani Curls Masami Hair Oil. Trying to focus it for you guys. Nope. Sorry, Kasani. Oh, that's the best I think I can do. And it promotes hair growth, moisturizes hair, thickens hair, stimulates scalp, great for hot oil treatments. And I can link their website below. But it's just a basic oil, which I love. I don't need all this extra stuff. Oof, yes. Guys, I'm so happy. You guys have no idea how happy I am. My hair actually turned out good. That does not usually happen. Alright, I can be in here for hours. So I gotta finish getting ready for work. Okay, okay then. So, thank you guys so much. Ooh. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry, I know my voice is raspy and I have these little mini bags. It takes like 40 minutes to an hour after I wake up for them to go away. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully the next time I straighten my hair, us together can see the growth and the length retention and the healthiness and the body. You know, I'm just speaking it. It's gonna happen. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram for more updated, regular hair pictures. And even I do mini videos. So thank you guys so much. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at Hairvolutions.